In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to start a productive, educational, and motivational YouTube channel using stickman animation. And honestly, that video turned out to be one of the most viewed and most loved videos on my channel. The comment section says it all. People keep telling me this is the best stickman tutorial I've ever seen. But then I noticed something important. What if static stickman characters start feeling boring for some viewers? What if we could keep the simplicity but add movement to make the content more engaging, more dynamic, and more watchable? That's when I started researching, and I discovered several finance niche channels using stickman characters, simple icons, and very basic editing. And with just a few uploads, they're already pulling huge views and insane engagement. And you already know this. YouTube pays one of the highest RPMs in the finance niche. So the real question is, why shouldn't you start a channel like this in 2026? What if this turns out to be a goldmine niche? When you analyze these channels, you'll notice something interesting. Some use completely static characters, while others use stickman characters with movement. And guess what? The ones with movement clearly stand out. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create moving visual videos like this using only free tools. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt under the Ask Anything section. Replace X with the number of finance channel names you want to generate. For now, I'll go with 20, then click Generate. You'll find all the prompts used in this video in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Once the channel names are generated, choose the one you like the most. If you don't like any of them, simply type More to generate a fresh list of new names. After selecting the best name for your channel, it's time to generate the channel description. Paste the next prompt, replace the placeholder with your selected channel name, and hit Generate. This will give you an SEO-optimized channel description. Next, we need a channel logo. Paste the logo prompt that's specially designed for this type of content. ChatGPT works best for logo generation. Just remove Enter your channel name here, type your channel name, and click Generate. Within a few minutes, you'll get a clean and professional logo for your channel. Now, go to your YouTube channel and upload the logo. Adjust it properly by cropping it to fit perfectly. Once your logo is set, scroll down and paste your channel description. Then go to the top right corner and click Publish. Now let's look at the final channel setup. Wow, it looks amazing and professional. Now, let's move on to the video generation part. First, open the Docs file and copy all the prompts under the Video Topic Prompts section. Then come back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the Ask Anything box, and hit Generate. This prompt will help you generate the top 10 best video topic ideas. Now, select the best topic you want to create your video on. Once you've chosen your topic, go back to the Docs file again, copy the video script prompt, and return to ChatGPT. Paste the script prompt, then replace the text that says Enter video topic here with the topic you selected. Next, under Target Length, choose the video duration based on your preference. For now, I'll go with 5 minutes. After everything is set, simply click Generate. And within a few minutes, you'll get a professional, engaging finance video script ready to use. Before we continue with the audio generation part, I want to quickly share something that literally saved my business. And if you manage multiple accounts, you need to hear this. Struggling with account bans or constant restrictions? Multi-login is an anti-detect browser that lets you safely run dozens, even thousands of accounts without detection or blocks. You can create browser profiles in just one click. Built-in residential proxies run multiple accounts with zero hassle. Whether it's media buying, e-commerce, or ads on TikTok, it just works. Multi-login also offers real Android cloud phone, so you can safely scale mobile accounts. Let me show you how it works. First, download and log in using the link in the description. Once you're inside, you'll see the dashboard. At the top left, click Browser, then switch to the Mobile tab. Click Create to make a new mobile profile. Enter a unique profile name. You can skip tags, they're not important. In Notes, write what you'll use the profile for, like Instagram. Scroll down to Proxy and keep it set to multi-login's default. Under Location, choose your country, I'll go with USA, then select the region and city. For ISP, choose T-Mobile USA, then click Check Proxy. Once it shows Proxy Check Passed, continue. Now choose your Android OS version, then select the device brand and model. When everything is set, click Create. Your mobile profile is now ready. Click Start to launch it. You'll see a real Android environment. You can tap anywhere, just like a phone. On the right side, you'll find tools like a timer, screenshots, and camera access. In the bottom right corner, click Apps, search for Instagram, and install it. Within seconds, the app will be ready. Open it, log in, or create a new account, and start using it normally. Try it for 3 days at just €199, including 5 profiles and proxy traffic. Links in the description. Now, back to the topic. Now, to generate the voice, we only need the narration part of the script. So I'll type in ChatGPT, I want only the voiceover part with proper punctuation, and then hit generate. Within a few minutes, you'll get a clean, voiceover-only script. Next, open your browser and search for Google Studio AI. Then click the official link. You'll see a dashboard similar to what you're seeing on your screen. Now, click Turn Text into Audio, and then select Single Speaker Audio, because we'll be using only one main character for narration. On the right side, you'll see multiple voice options. Choose the one you like. For finance content, I think the Fenrir voice works best. After that, adjust the temperature based on your preference, so the voice sounds more natural and less repetitive. Then, under the text section, paste your voiceover script. Now we need the voice style instruction, because this plays a major role in how your character speaks. For that, go back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I'm going to generate the voiceover using Google Studio AI. Give me a proper style instruction under 100 characters. ChatGPT will generate a short style instruction. Copy it, go back to Google Studio AI, and paste it under the style instruction option. Now, simply click Run to generate the audio. It may take a few minutes because the script is long. Once the audio is generated, play it and listen carefully to make sure it sounds perfect. Finally, click the 3 dots, select Download, and save the audio to your device. Using a directly generated AI voice can be risky because there's a high chance it may not get monetized. So to make the voice more monetizable, the same way I do for my own voice, follow these steps. First, open Audacity, an audio editing software, and import your voiceover audio. Now, select the entire voiceover, then go to Effects. Under Special, click Truncate Silence. Keep the settings similar to mine, then click Apply. After that, go to Effects again. Under EQ and Filters, click Graphic EQ. Then click Presets, select Factory Presets, choose Bass Boost, then hit Apply. Now, once again, go to Effects, EQ and Filters, Graphic EQ, click Presets, select Factory Presets, choose Treble Boost, then hit Apply. Next, go to Effects, then under Pitch and Tempo, click Change Pitch. Keep the settings the same as mine, then click Apply. For the final step inside Audacity, go to Effects, Volume and Compression, then Normalize, and click Apply. Now, go to the top left corner, click File, then select Export Audio. Click Export to Computer and make sure you choose Stereo instead of Mono. Name the file whatever you want, then click Export to save the audio. Now, let's do the final step for voice editing. Open your browser, search for Adobe Podcast, and click the official link. Once the dashboard loads, click Enhance Speech, then upload your edited voiceover file. It will take a few minutes to process and make your voice more crisp and clear. Once it's done, play it to check the quality, then click Download to save it to your device. Now, to generate the visuals, go to the Docs file and copy all the prompts under the Video Visuals Prompts section. Then come back to ChatGPT and paste the full prompt here. You don't need to change anything, just hit Generate. Now, whatever part of the script you paste, you'll get the visual prompts for that section. So, scroll up until you find your full video script. Copy the entire script and paste it somewhere else. For example, I paste it into Notepad. After that, keep Notepad open. From the start of the script, copy the first part, then paste that part into ChatGPT and hit Generate. ChatGPT will create visual prompts for every sentence that needs visuals. Once the visual prompts are generated, go to your browser and search for Whisk AI. Open the official Google Labs link, then click on Enter Tool. The Whisk AI interface will load. Now, on the bottom right side, click on the ratio and select Landscape because we're creating visuals for a long YouTube video. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first visual prompt, then come back to Whisk AI and paste it into the Describe section. Hit Generate, and within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Then repeat the same process. Copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI, then click Generate. Keep doing this until you generate all the images. Once the first part is done, go back to your notes, copy the second part of the script, paste it into ChatGPT, and generate the remaining set of image prompts for the second section of your video. Finally, go back to Whisk AI and click on My Library, then select Images. You'll find all your generated visuals saved there. But to be honest, static visuals can feel boring. So let's make the visuals more interactive by adding character movement to keep viewers engaged. For that, open your browser and search for Meta AI. Then click the official Meta AI website. Once the dashboard loads, click on Create. Now select Video instead of Image. Next, go back to Whisk AI, click the 3 dots on the first image you generated and hit Download. Then return to Meta AI, click Upload Image, and upload that image. Under Describe Your Animation, simply type Animate. This gives better results. Now repeat the same process for all the images you generated in Whisk AI until every image is converted into a video clip. And don't worry, this won't cost you even a single dollar because these tools offer free and unlimited generation. Now, once all the images are converted into videos using Meta AI, it's time to download them. Simply scroll down until you find the first video you generated. On the top right corner of that video, you'll see a download option. Click it to save the video to your device. Repeat the same process for all the videos you created until everything is downloaded. Now let's move to the final part, merging all the clips into one complete video. For editing, I'll use CapCut because most of you are already familiar with it. When you open CapCut, you'll see the Create Project option. Click on it and the editing dashboard will load. Now tap Import and import your voiceover audio. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline. After that, tap Import again and import all the video clips you generated using Meta AI. Next, arrange all the clips in order on the timeline. Once that's done, trim and adjust each clip to match the voiceover perfectly. To make the video look more professional, add some transitions between clips. Now let's give the final touch by adding background music. Click on Audio, search for Finance, and listen to different tracks. Pick the one that fits your video best, then adjust the background music volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Finally, go to the top right corner and click Export. Enter a file name for your video, choose the resolution you prefer, and adjust the remaining settings as you like, or keep them the same as mine. Then click Export again. Now, let's look at the final result. Imagine this. You sit at your kitchen table, you open your laptop, you type up a perfect invoice, pay to the order of me, amount $10,000. You print it, you sign it, you try to spend it, and the world looks at you like you just handed them a Monopoly card. Now, rewind. A bank does something that looks almost identical. A few keystrokes, a number appears in an account, and suddenly, that money is real. Rent can be paid with it, cars can be bought with it, businesses can be built with it. So here's the uncomfortable question. Why can banks create money, but you can't? Because the answer isn't they're smarter. It isn't they're more responsible. It's something colder. It's permission. And it changes everything about how the economy actually works. The video turned out amazing. What do you think about it? Rate it in the comments section. And remember, all the prompts you need are available in my Telegram channel. So don't forget to join. The link is in the description. See you later, take care. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment. I'll definitely help you out.